Xiaomi is reportedly gearing up to launch its upcoming flagship phones called Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro. And before the launch, the upcoming Mi 11 smartphone images were surfaced online. And depending upon this, a popular leakster Ben Gaskin has shared the conceptual renders of this smartphone. According to leak renders, the Xiaomi Mi 11 will feature a large curved display with a hole punch at the top left corner for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will support a unique triple camera setup in a square module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while the left appears to be bare. Talking about the specifications, according to latest leaks, the Xiaomi Mi 11 will feature a Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. As per the camera, the Mi 11 will support a 108MP primary camera along with the 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens plus 5MP telephoto lens. And at the front, it will have 20MP selfie camera. The device is set to pack with 4780 mAh battery that will support 50 watts wired and 30 watts wireless fast charging. Now talking about the pricing and release date, the Xiaomi Mi 11 is expected to price in between 3,999 to 4,499 Chinese yuan, and the phone is expected to launch by the end of December this year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi Mi 11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSolvlog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.